Hey there, homeowners! Got a kitchen sink that's draining slower than a snail on a Sunday? No worries, I've got a nifty trick that'll get your drain flowing like a champion in no time. Let's dive right in. So, why do drains clog up anyway? Well, over time, small food particles and grease build up in the drain pipes, causing slow drainage. It's annoying, right? But before you call a plumber or start tearing apart your plumbing, try this simple fix. First things first, remove that sink strainer. Next, grab a bottle of regular dishwashing liquid. Pour a generous amount, at least half the bottle, down the drain. Dishwashing liquid is a powerful degreaser, breaking down all that gunk and grease that's slowing things down. Now, let it sit for about 10 minutes. This gives the soap time to dissolve the blockage. After the wait, plug the sink and fill it up with hot water. Full sink, folks. Once it's full, pull the plug and let that hot water rush down the drain. The hot water helps flush away the dissolved residue, clearing the drain. For good measure, let the hot water run for a few more minutes to ensure everything is thoroughly rinsed. And there you have it. Your drain should now be working perfectly. No plumber needed. Quick, easy, and super effective. Try this out next time your sink's acting up. See you in the next video.